Hello there, my name is Nate Cooper, and today I'm going to be giving you a guide on how to make macros and how to use them for the Armaggeddon set of peripherals, so the keyboards and the mice. Today I'm going to be using the Alien Craft G7, and I'm going to be teaching you how you can buy rifles in-game by just clicking one mouse button, and this can be used to buy any weapon or item in-game, and it can also be used in other games if you wanted to macro something else. So what you want to do is you want to go to www.armaggeddon.net, and you'll find in the support section there's a bunch of drivers you can download. For me, I'm using the Alien G7, so I download the driver for the Alien G7. Simple enough, right? And then once I've downloaded that and install it all, I restart my computer, and then I come here. And first you'll see home base, so just give you some information about the mouse. I want to go to button setting, and here is where the magic happens. So here you can change your CPI in hertz for your mouse. I use a CPI 400 and hertz of 500. And so from here I can do all my macros. So you see you have two CPI down, CPI up buttons, Windows mouse button, Windows button 4 and 5. Today I'll be changing mouse button 5 to buy my rifles. So I click on mouse button 5 and it brings up a drop down menu through which I click macro programming, and that'll bring up this macro manager window here, which is blank at the moment, but in a second it'll be filled. So I want to buy rifles in game, so I hit start record, and now it's all recording, and then I hit B42 and stop record. And that's what you do to buy a rifle in game. You press B42 on your keyboard. Well, now I only have to press mouse button 5 and it'll do it all for me. So I click OK. You see this is now changed to macro instead of what it was before, and you can do this for pretty much every one of these buttons. And then I hit apply, give it some time to go through, click OK. That'll all disappear. Now we'll go in game and I'll show you just what it does. And here we are. And now I'll press mouse button 5. And there's my M4. So just once again, I've done my macro. I press mouse button 5, which is now assigned to it. And there's my macro. So there's some advantages to this. I mean, you can it stops you from misbuying any other weapons, and it's just quick and easy. Like, you don't have to press anything else. On the Armaggeddon set of keyboards, you can bind other keys so that you can also buy, your nades and your armor as well, diffuse kits, and your pistols. You can buy all of them as well. So this has been just a short tutorial on how to do macros with the Armaggeddon peripherals.